Hello friends, welcome to my channel All Web Solution. Uh, Recently I faced a problem. I installed WP Astra free version, but I need to sticky this menu. But when I go to Astra setting, then I found this sticky header module is only Astra Pro version. Uh, Now on this video I will show you how can we do this for free, but this Astra Pro will be available on this free thing. For doing this, first of all you have to go this site GPL Son, then go to here, then go to theme, then Astra Pro. Now here you can see this is very updated theme and license theme, and this license will never expire. Then we do that, add to cart. Okay, and now go to checkout. After input all the items here, you have to select your coupon code. Here you can see the theme price is 299 rupee. Now we will write here the coupon code, apply coupon code. You can see the coupon code is now total 00. Now click on this item. You can see thank you, your order has been received, expires never. Okay, click on here to download these plugins. Okay, then go to plugin, add new plugins, upload new plugins, Astra Pro. Okay, this plugin is successfully active the plugins, clear the cache. Now go to Astra dashboard. You can see license activated, and the version is up to date. You can see all button is now available here. Now we will enable this item, and let's see. You can see the sticky header is working. Now let's check on the front page how it is looking. Mm, I can see an error when I scroll down it. Then I can see the logo is little bit different and little bit small. Now we have to fix it. Title logo, sticky header. Enable. Okay, we have to disable this item, then you can see the logo is all okay. Now you can set here the slide effect or fade effect or none. Okay. We will enable this item on desktop and mobile. Now save it, publish. Now let's see. You can see the logo is okay when you scroll. Now let's see on the mobile. Okay, you can see this gap due to this item. When you see it on incognito mode, then it will be okay. That's the solution. Hope you like my video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. The coupon code on the description, you can get it from there. Thank you.